Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with quantitative aptitude questions from the HSW 2019 paper. The questions that we'll be focusing on in this particular video is question number 36, and the question is of basically time and watches. Okay, and so it's a very unique kind of question. Let's take a look. 5 different alarm clocks ring the alarm at every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour and 75 minutes respectively. If all the alarms are rung now, then how many more times will the clocks ring together in the next 48 hours? Okay, so we have 5 clocks. So first ring at 15 minutes. Okay, second ring at 30 minutes. Third ring at 45 minutes. Fourth ring at 1 hour, so 60 minutes. And fifth ring at 75. Okay, so this is their ringing times. So now what we have to do, it's given that we have to find the time they ring together in the next 48 hours. So let me take the LCM of the same. So this 50 can be written as 3 into 5. Okay, this 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. This 45 can be written as 3 square into 5. This 60 can be written as 2 to 3 into 5. This would be 22 square. Okay, and finally this 75 can be written as 25 3. So 3 into 5 square. Now we know, first let us just collect the common part in this regard. So what is the common part? We have 1 5 in all, so let me take this 1 5 common. Okay, and one of the 5s from here. Okay, just one of the 5s. So we have taken one of the 5s, that is common, and just hang on a moment. Made a mistake here. Just a second. By mistake, I wrote this to be 5 cube into 5 square. Or rather, let me just hang on. Let me write it this way: 5 into 5. Okay. So this 5 I'm taking. Okay, 5 taken. Now another common element would be 3. This 3, this 3, one of the 3 from here. Okay, so 3 here, this 3 and this 3. Okay, so here nothing. Okay, so we have 15 over here, and then we'll take into account all the rest of the elements, that is 2. So here we have 3. Okay, again here 5. Yep, 2. Okay, so this would give us 900. So therefore LCM is 900. Okay, now 900 minutes. Okay, 900 minutes LCM. That is, these clocks ring at every ring together. Okay, at every 900 minutes, or 900 by 60, that is 15 hours. Okay, so in every 15 hours all these clocks ring together. So therefore in 48 hours, how many times will it ring? So we know 15 into 3 is 45. okay, which is less than 48. So in the 45th minute, 45th hour they reading last time, and total number of times they entering is 3 times. So our answer in this regards is 3. Okay. So I hope this thing is clear to you. It's a fairly easy question again. Just find out the LCM and subsequently decide on the subsequent time in accordance to that. Okay. So I hope this thing is clear. Now, with all that said and done, I'll be signing out and we'll be continuing our discussion of the subsequent question in the next videos. Thank you so much.